Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch your account on your Temu app. So this video is for people that have multiple accounts on Temu. You can download a single app and then you log in all these accounts on the app, and then you can switch on them simultaneously, switch from here to here to here, and then you do your shopping, something like that. Very much simple and easy. I'm going to show you how to do this. So you can see I'm at my home page here. I just moved to my account here. Then let me put this thing down here, and then let me tap at the top corner, which is the settings here. So here I just bring this thing down here as well, and then I tap on the switch account. Good. So if I had multiple accounts here, you're going to see all of them appear here. So I just need to tap to select, tap to select. So when I tap here to add an account, they're going to let me log in, something like that. So that's it. Or now you can switch account. So you just need to just tap, you switch into the account, you check your orders and the rest, and then you come to the next account, something like that. Very much simple and easy. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. So that's it for the video. Peace.